Alright folks, in my previous videos I showed you this part of Vevey down there where the Nestle factory, the Charlie Chaplin statue and the fork, but I'm going to show you another part. But before I do that, I just thought I'd get a wee video of the paddle boat. I think it's a paddle boat, I'm not sure actually, looking at the weight. But that's the kind of cruise ship or ferry that goes around the lake. I had wanted to do that, but unfortunately we didn't have the time, so I had to leave it. But what I thought I would do is show you down this way. Now, I've no idea what's down here, but let's see. There's a museum of Geneva, maybe that might be worth doing. I forgot there was that, so well, that's a wee surprise. I might do that, probably will. Lots of flowers. I wouldn't say there's as much as Montreux. I would say Montreux is a lot better for the flowers. The previous video I says Montreux spends about $1 million each year on flowers. It's a bit insane. As you'd expect with a lake, there's lots of kind of water sports. There's somebody in a wee canoe. And I'm filming this at 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's just lovely. It's stunning. He's saying about the environment. Pretty sure I have actually done part of this walk, because I forgot about them and the kind of stage with the two swans. And there's that. It's a beautiful place, it really is. Absolutely stunning. But given a choice between Stad, Montreux, Vevey, I think I've got to go for Stad. The scenery here is absolutely lovely, and you don't get that in Gstaad because there's no lake, it's not next to the lake. But there's something very, very Swiss about Gstaad, and when you're in the hotel and you're looking out and you see the views, it's just so stunning. Seeing the Alps and well, see the Alps here, but I think Gstaad, I think that's the place to stay. Well, depends what you want. Here, I also see like Vevey and Montreux. It's really, really good for kind of wheelchair access and getting around. Jacqueline kind of disagrees a wee bit, but compared to a lot of places we've been to, I think it rates quite high. I really do. There's a wee sailboat. The canoes is fairly going. One thing's for sure, I'll definitely be back here. It's just so nice and peaceful, and you can really get what Freddie was singing about in his songs, about how beautiful the lake was. My previous videos from Intro, you'll see me talk about that, and you'll see me visiting Freddie's house and the Queen Studio experience. There is another house that Freddie had, but I never went to see it, but I probably walked past it. And it wasn't until last night I was in the pub and somebody told me about it. It said it was like a pink house. I don't know if that's true, but Something I'll need to look up and see the next time. So we've already booked for next September, so when we go I'll make sure that's one of the things I do. You'll need to excuse the heart, I'm still kind of badly sunburnt and it's kind of peeling a wee bit, so I need to keep the heart. What happiness there? No. There's a wee bridge here with flowers over it. I didn't cross the bridge, but I think this is the point where my video started, when I was walking down this way. So I'm going to go just now, folks. I'll a wee bit, I need to kind of sneeze, so I'm going to just take a wee moment. So I'll post another video crossing the bridge. That's the bridge just over there. Okay. So see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.